Hey everybody, Varun here from Language Academy. Guys, what a day! I've got Samana with me. She needed 7 each for her nursing and she has almost got 8 in every module. A perfect 9 in speaking. Congratulations, Samana.
Thank you so much.
Very well done. I've seen you working hard in the lab. You were dedicated, you were regular, consistent, and everything was there with what is required to score, get a score like this. A perfect 9 in speaking. You were a bit scared in speaking, I remember.
I know.
What do you think is important for speaking?
I think better fluency is the important thing, and all the templates and the guidelines which Language Academy have given for me from the very first day. I've just joined 15 days ago, I believe, and then 13 days lab class, and I got my results. So I'm very happy.
So basically, it's more about the fluency and then following the templates and
yeah.
then getting the guidance as well.
Guidance
Right?
from the
Because I remember I've checked a lot of your mock tests.
yeah, I know, and I was stuck in read aloud.
Yes, that's right.
So yeah,
Very, very important, guys. Very, very important that even if you have template, having the template by itself won't really get you the score. You need to make sure you are getting the guidance, you are taking feedback, because once you take feedback, a lot of time what happens, you implement a strategy, you implement a template, but that template is not 100% fine. So it's very important to know if you're following the template properly or not. So Mana, almost 8 in listening and writing, right?
Yeah.
What is important for listening and how important are mock tests which you have taken in the lab?
It is very important, because without doing that mock test, I wouldn't know my level. I wouldn't know how good I am in every section. So mock tests are very important as well. And in listening, I think all the templates and all the strategies which better keywords, the ideas of better keywords, that was very important in writing and listening, I think.
That's right.
Yeah.
That's right. That's very important. One thing, keywords are very important when it comes to PT exam, because normally we follow the template, but we miss out on adding proper keywords, proper content from the lecture, from the summary, and that is where we lose a lot of points. So very, very important that you make sure you have proper keywords. If it's you summarize spoken text, summarize written text, and then you take a number of mock tests, which will give you a clear idea of where you stand, what are the things you need to work on, what is your weakness, and how to turn your weakness into strength. She has taken a number of mock tests, only 15 days, almost 8 in every module. Any final advice for students out there who are a bit scared, especially about reading as well, like you were at one point? Any advice for students out there who are planning to go for 7 for nursing? They think they will miss out, they are struggling in one or the other module. Any advice for them, please?
If you just give like 2-3 days, you just focus on them, all of these modules, and especially reading. If you just practice from all the prediction section and everything, then I hope that will really help.
That's right. That's right. So when it comes to prediction, did you get anything from the prediction?
Yeah, actually I get some.
You got some blanks from there?
Yeah.
That's right. That's right, guys. Very important that you are regular to the lab sessions and then you practice intensively on the predictions just a week before your exam. Don't just rely on that, but practice properly, understand that. And for reading, you need to make sure you practice as much as you can.
Yeah. All the reading classes which it's running every day here, I used to attend that as well.
That's
so
right.
From there also I got a lot of help.
So why do you think, why are those classes helpful? That's my last question. Why attending reading classes apart from the regular classes is important?
Because in regular classes we just choose the option and we'll just do, and we'll just check the result. So but in that class they will teach like why that option is suitable for that blank. So I think that is very important.
So basically that gives you a clear understanding. And reasoning.
Yeah.
Very important.
Yeah.
That's very important, because in the exam most probably you may get new questions or questions you have not done before. So very, very important that you know the reasoning, you know the logic, and you know the working and have the understanding of what are the concepts, what are the grammatical rules, and that will happen if you attend the reading grammar classes on regular basis like she did. 15 days, 7 each for her nursing. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
That's it from this video, guys. Make sure you keep on practicing. If you're missing out in one or the other module, make sure you have proper guidance, take a number of mock tests, spend time in the lab. She has spent a lot of time in the lab, and that is the reason she has got the score. All the very best.
Thank you so much.
That's it from this video, guys. I'll see you very soon.
Now crack your PTE sitting at your home. Language Academy brings to you the smartest AI-powered practice portal, with instant scores and feedback for all the tasks. Along with the practice questions, access free sectional and full mock tests, and get instant scorecard with in-depth feedback and analysis. For more hidden secrets, tips, strategies, and proven templates, click the link below and subscribe to our video course today.